We at LAPP are a family business, always in search of forward-thinking solutions for today and for future generations. That's why we use the resources of our world responsibly and have devised clear strategies for our interaction with the environment, our products, and people. By 2027, we want to reduce our CO2 emissions by 30%. That's why we plan, build, and operate our own LAPP sites as resource efficiently as possible. We are also constantly improving our products and processes, using sustainable materials, reducing waste, or even avoiding it entirely. We are actively working on our value chains and are developing them further towards a circular economy. This includes reusing resources, such as our solid wood drums, which we either collect and reuse, or recycle, reprocess, and then reuse. On the way to a climate-friendly future, we use sophisticated logistics concepts and our global production network to keep transportation routes as short as possible. But above all, and this makes us particularly proud, we power sustainable industries with our solutions. With particularly durable, robust, and flexible products, we contribute to mastering the challenges of the future. For us, the responsibility for the well-being of people is also part of sustainable action and an integral part of our corporate culture. With a particular focus on work-life balance, health, diversity, and social commitment, we create environments that promote growth and responsibility. With the expertise and strength of all our employees, we act in accordance with these values and want to set a good example so that future generations will also find a planet worth living on. LAPP, well connected into the future.